Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the Getting Dirty Off-Road channel. What we got today is demo car. More of it. Now, this is not the same white one that I've been stripping in the shop. This is a different one. Shop's full. I know that's weird. So, we'll just do it out here. It's a beautiful day. How's your day going? I hope it's great. What I'm gonna do is put this carburetor back on this engine. This is a Chrysler 400 big block. I've already had this on there once before. Ran pretty darn good. So what I've got here is the Edelbrock. It's a 1905, which just means it's an manual choke. Now, we don't really want the chokes in the derbies. We don't. Maybe you do. I don't know. That's the used gasket from before. Now, I took this off from here trying to get another one to run. That didn't work out. So, there she is. Now, this is the 650 CFM. So, by putting this on there, I'm going to get 650 horses. No, CFM. Cubic feet per minute? No? I don't know. I'm not sure. I know what it is. 650 times you're going to cry for mama when you see this thing coming at you. Well, yeah. Yep, we're gonna do that one. So the first thing I need is a new gasket, because even though I can make the old one work, we won't. So I'm gonna go over to the storage unit and grab a new gasket. Now, while I was in there, I went ahead and grabbed a new air cleaner as well. Yeah, I use my pickup trucks for storage. Okay, now when I got this engine, the guy I got it from had this made up, which I thought, that'll work. Couple of pieces of rubber on there, and then I stuffed a dust rag in there, you know, keep it clean, keep it dry. I hope it worked. Probably should check the oil. If it didn't, I'll know. Anyways, it's nice and clean. Got a fancy Edelbrock Torker intake manifold on there. You know, everything that's not necessary to crash a car. Yeah, throw that in there. Somebody will find it later. Well, isn't that just fancy? And there you have it. Now, if you didn't know by now, idea what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, now tighten this down, but I've noticed smarter fellers than me have given out a good warning for guys like me, you know. I tend to go with the good and tight, and apparently that's not good on these carburetors. You just want to go barely tight to just tight. So we're gonna be easy with that. Okay, easy. Good enough. That is good enough. So now over here we've got a fuel line. Seems like it'll work. So we'll connect this guy. Good enough. Now on the front side here, I do have a vacuum advance line. Not real sure if we're going to use it, but for right now, I'm going to put it on. We've got another port for the vacuum assist on the booster for the brakes. I need to go find some stuff to connect that. Throttle cable, yeah, it's in one of the other cars. Outside of that, we can put the air cleaner on there, but first I need to take a selfie because we've got that InstaChat thing over there that my son's running, you know, and this is kind of his thing, so I better get one for him. Alright, enough messing around. Get off the social networks and get some work done. Woo-wee. Look at that. Whew, sure is fancy. I wanted to go with a smaller one. We had like a 14-incher on there, but it gets to pushing down on the fuel line on these here Edelbrocks. It's tapped in at the top, and well, we were pinching the fuel line off, and that ain't gonna get you all 650 cry for mamas. So shortened her up. Now I have clearance for throttle, as well as fuel line. We got stickers. Gonna have to put those on the car. Man, she sure is pretty now. Better get my fingerprints off from there. This is a professional outfit here, you know. We gotta make it look that way. All right. That's all I got for you. I know it's a teaser. If you guys want to listen to it run, you're going to have to come back. For right now, that was it. Just put a carburetor on it, cover it, make it look cool. You better come back. I want to see you on the next one. You'll be impressed the way this thing sounds. Well, at least I am. Anyways, sorry to leave you hanging like that, but I gots to go. I got to go back to work tomorrow. I have some other things to do, you know. Editing, trying to make the last Derby video. Well, you'll probably see that before you see this one, but anyways, I'm busy. So, catch you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down there. If you want to see if this is ever going to get finished, I know that's the biggest question in the world. Are we going to finish something? Well, if you want to know, you're going to have to stick around. So, for now, hit that like, subscribe. I mean, it's cool, isn't it? We need to subscribe for that. It's free. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Well, that's going to do it for this one. I'm teasing you, but you come back, you'll see it run. We've got the other one. He's getting ready for another show with it, so it's still a runner. It's able to go. So this one, we have a certain place in mind for it, so we'll need to get it going. Until then, I'll bring you something else. You know how it goes. We don't know what it is, where it is, or when it is, but it will be. So if you like this, let me know. Leave us a comment down there. Hit the like. Subscribe. Yeah, we're down to the end of it. So subscribe for us if you would. That'd be cool. Hit the notifications. Then you'll be able to see when this one's coming up next. For now, probably need to put a coil back in it. Throttle cable, vacuum line for the booster, and address the transmission leak, and then she'll be a runner. Oh yeah, we need a water pump. It doesn't circulate. So all of those things will be coming up. This car's supposed to run in just about a month, so about the time you see this video probably. But anyways, you'll see all that other stuff come to light, so I'll catch you guys next time.